Welcome to our outdoor living space and patio design ideas video. Whether you are looking to create a cozy retreat, entertain friends and family, or simply enjoy the fresh air, we have got you covered. Explore our curated collection of outdoor living space designs featuring patio layout ideas, outdoor furniture and decor inspiration, lighting and fire pit designs, garden and landscaping ideas. Get ready to transform your backyard into a stunning outdoor living space that reflects your personal style. The ultimate outdoor living space and patio design ideas for your dream backyard. This video features a wide range of inspiring designs from modern and sleek to rustic and cozy. Learn how to create a functional and beautiful outdoor space that's perfect for entertaining, relaxing, and enjoying the great outdoors. We are sharing our favorite design ideas to help you create the ultimate backyard oasis. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of outdoor living space designs. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.